Are you interested in taking customer support to the next level? Meet HelpScout, a specialized customer support platform designed to expand teams to provide the highest possible level of customer service. You can access a complete toolset as soon as you sign up for the service, allowing you to handle all of your client discussions as quickly as you would an email inbox. With HelpScout, you can be available right where your customers need you, and you can also provide your staff with the necessary organization, collaboration, and automation to move more quickly. Just minutes after installing HelpScout, your team will be ready to begin handling inbound email inquiries. In addition, you can gain access to helpful resources, including organizational methods, automated processes, and collaborative software. Here is what you can do with this powerful platform. First, it only takes a few minutes to set up a live chat on your website to start communicating with clients. You can even use the same teamwork tools you already use to handle your email. Then you can use shared inboxes to save time and effort while providing a personal, helpful service to your consumers. Besides, you will have a knowledge base optimized for client self-service to cut assistance volume by at least 30%. Your clients will be less likely to need to contact you when they are satisfied. In addition, you can send proactive messages in-app or online to users in need of assistance, connections to relevant resources, or important news. It will only take a few moments to get started. After that, your entire staff will be able to concentrate on what truly matters, the relationships they have with their customers, because HelpScout is as straightforward to use as an email inbox. In addition, you will be able to raise productivity by 52%, improve teamwork, organize your email, and automate operations that are performed repeatedly so that your employees can respond to more clients. HelpScout gives you the ability to service millions of users and unlock more powerful features as your business expands. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get an exclusive price just by clicking on the link in the description below. You can provide excellent customer service today. So why wait? Try HelpScout now. Also, check out our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.